Unlock the secrets to TikTok's For You page success. Welcome to the vibrant world of TikTok, where creativity meets discovery. Today, we're diving into how you can master the For You page. First up, understanding your audience is key. Think about what captivates them, what makes them laugh, or learn. Consistency is your best friend. Regular uploads not only keep your followers engaged, but also signal to TikTok your commitment to content creation. Unlock the power of trending sounds and challenges. They're your golden ticket to visibility, connecting you to a larger audience instantly. Don't underestimate the first few seconds of your video. Make them count with something eye-catching or intriguing to halt the scroll. Engagement boosts your reach. Encourage comments by asking questions or sharing thoughts that invite viewers to interact with your content. Lastly, analyze your successful videos. Look for patterns in what worked and refine your strategy to keep the hits coming. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a TikTok sensation. Dive in, experiment, and watch your For You page presence grow.